I'm Gary Schnitkey, and I will be doing a guest lecture on farm assessments. I'm a professor in farm management at the University of Illinois. At that university, I have responsibilities in three areas: in teaching, research, and my research primarily deals with crop economics and risk management on grain farms in the Midwest, and I also do outreach. And that outreach is primarily with farm groups in the Midwest. The context that we will be talking about is the Corn Belt. And Corn Belt has commodity agriculture, and what we particularly deal with in the Midwest, the heart of the Corn Belt, is corn and soybean productions. We deal with family farms in an industry that is very competitive. Surviving in a crop farm industry is very difficult. I will specifically be talking about, when we're talking about farm assessments, Illinois farm business farm management. FBFM is a farmer cooperative that has about 25% of the farms enrolled in Illinois and accounts for about 25% of the acres in Illinois. That cooperative was started at the University of Illinois. The way we do assessments within FBFM is to use the traditional tools, income statements, cash flows, and we do benchmarking. And benchmarking is where we group farms together and then compare them one to another. We also do balance sheet assessments as well. FBFM has been in business since the 1930s, and its approach really changed after the 1980s farm crisis, and we'll talk about that in our lecture. I hope you will join us, and I'm looking forward to this lecture.